First, you need to prepare the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box of this phone. Mine looks a little bit different, but it does the job anyway. Now, at the bottom of the phone, we will find the SIM tray over here. Here is a hole, and we need to insert that eject tool into that hole. There we go, and then push it in with a little bit of force so that the SIM tray comes out just a little bit, as you can see over here. Now we can use our fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray, and this is how it looks like. Over here we can check the slot number. We have SIM1 and SIM2 on the reverse, and we need to simply match the shape of the SIM slot. So it looks like this. Just put it in, it goes in really easy. Make sure that it is fully in, it doesn't stick out or anything. There we go. And then of course at the reverse, if you have another SIM card, you can just insert it as well. There we go. Once again, make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. And now let's insert the SIM tray back to the phone. And push it with your finger all the way. Make sure that the SIM tray doesn't stick out even a little bit. It should be fully in. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.